All right, let's code some words. So let's look at our first word. What do you notice about that word? That's right, it's got a Y at the end. So let's see if we're going to use that as a suffix or as another syllable. Let's box it off first to try it that way. So if I box it off, I see that M and P, and that MP go together and kind of blend and say "mp." So we're not going to break that apart. And it's got a U in front of an M, so that's a vowel in front of a consonant, so that vowel is going to be short. So I got lump. And then remember, when Y is added as a suffix like that, it's usually always says E. So lumpy. Very good. Now, if I would have tried to break it apart, I would have done almost the same thing. So I would ended up with lump as one syllable, and then I would have P that way. So it just depends on how you look at it, but we're going to treat it as a suffix since it's talking about how something is, because it's saying that something is lumpy, okay? All right, and then over here, how would I code that word? What do you notice first? It does. It has that ing suffix, so I'm going to box it off. And then what do I need to do? It's got the CK digraph, so I underline it. And then what else do I need to do? Cross off the C. That's right, because we want it just to say k. It doesn't say k, k. It makes one sound. And then I've got an A in front of CK. Well, I know that any vowel that's in front of CK is going to be short. So, packing. So, lumpy, packing. Very good. All right, on our next word, what do you notice? Oh, it has something at the end, doesn't it? It has that ED, so I'm going to box it off. And when we add ED to a word, remember it's saying that that thing happened when? In the past. So this is something that's already happened. So then look at the rest of my word. What do you notice? Well, it's got that QU letter combination, so let's put that arc under there to connect them. What else does it have? It has that IR letter combination, so let's arc those together. And so when we try to sound that out, we would say squa. Then what does IR say? Squirt, and then add the ED. Squirted. Ooh, listen to this. Squirted. Ed. This ED makes the ed sound, because remember the ED can make 3 different sounds. So squirted. And then what do you notice about this word? Well, it's got that apostrophe S that means that this belongs to somebody, right? But remember, we're going to act like it's not even there for when we're trying to code. And it has that vowel digraph, AY, so I need to underline it. And then AY says A, so that A is long and that Y is silent. So R-A, and then add the S. Raise. Ooh, listen to that S though. Raise. It makes the Z sound, so I'm going to put that line through it. So far I have squirted, raise, and then look at this next word. What do you notice about it? That's right, it's got that final syllable, D-L-E. So I'm going to put my bracket up, and what do I know about all my different final syllables? I need to do what? Make that E silent, so let's cross it off. So I have dull over here. Now over here, look, I've got C-A-N. You guys know that word. That's just can. And so it's got a short A, so candle. So lumpy, packing, squirted, raise, candle. Awesome job, guys.